Crispy, juicy popcorn chicken with basil. Watch what happens when the basil hits the hot oil. And you will only need 25 minutes. Slice chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. For recipes like this, do you go for chicken thighs or chicken breast? Drop a comment, I'd love to hear your choice. In a bowl, combine the chicken pieces, soy sauce, rice wine, white pepper, 5 spice powder, and grated garlic. Marinate for about 5 minutes. You can also marinate it for longer if you have time. Add the eggs and cornstarch and mix well. Today we'll be using sweet potato starch. You can find it in most Asian supermarkets in the starch or flour section. You can also replace it with cornstarch. Mix the chicken with the sweet potato starch. In a pot over high heat, add the cooking oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, grapeseed, or peanut oil. Heat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. So how do you test the oil temperature? Place a wooden chopstick into the hot oil. If it's around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, you'll see small steady bubbles forming around the tip. Carefully add the chicken and fry them until golden brown. About 3 minutes. Remove. Heat oil over high heat to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Return the chicken pieces to the hot oil and fry until crispy, about 1 minute. Look at the fried chicken. Can you imagine how crispy they are? Use a strainer and carefully add the basil leaves as the oil will splatter and fry for about 30 seconds. Love that sound. Remove and drain. Salt, white pepper, and 5 spice powder. You can also add some paprika. The sizzling chicken and fragrant basil. You can also enjoy it with my boba milk. Click here for the recipe. If you'd like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description box. Subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes and less Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching.